If you're looking for a cheap classic car, this list contains cars under $2,000 that still have real potential. These are the projects that keep this hobby alive. One, 1960 Chevrolet Corvair. We're kicking off with a true barn find Corvair, pulled out just a few months ago after sitting untouched. It's showing 32,000 miles, black paint, blue interior, and an automatic transmission. The seller says it will spin over, but it's definitely still a bring-a-trailer project. 2 owners, paid off, and they'll even consider trades. A classic compact with tons of potential for anyone wanting a lightweight starter project. Two, 1964 AMC Rambler 440. Next up is this unusual purple Rambler 440. It's a 3-speed on the column with the 19.6 inline 6, and it also comes with an extra 232 engine included. The car runs and drives, but it doesn't stop. Brake work is the first order of business here. The seller has already installed a lot of new parts and is mainly looking for something they can use as a daily. A quirky little American compact that's priced right for a hands-on project. Three, 1977 Chevrolet C10 Long Bed. This 77 long bed is all about solid bones. Nearly perfect cab, a clean South Carolina frame, and a dented but very workable body. It has a TH350 that doesn't smell burnt, a 12-bolt rear, and a 350 that reportedly hit and sputtered off a jug earlier this year. No title, but the VIN is clear. The seller is asking $1,000 complete or $600 without the engine. A budget C10 base that's getting harder and harder to find. Four, 1979 Triumph Spitfire 1500. Here's a running and driving British project that sat indoors for 10 to 15 years before being revived. Manual transmission, white on black, and it comes with a removable hardtop plus the soft top frame. It needs brake work, likely the master cylinder, and the interior is partly disassembled but complete. New pads, rotors, spark plugs, and battery are already installed. Clean title, and the seller says you can even drive it home a short distance. A cool, lightweight project for someone who wants something different. Five, 1956 Chevy 3800. Rounding out Part 1 is this rugged 56 Chevy 38. Inline 6 engine and transmission still in place, plenty of rust throughout, and no title, though the VINs are present. It's very much a full restoration base, long, heavy, and classic work truck lines. Whether you save it, repurpose it, or part it out, it's priced exactly where these deep project survivors usually land. Six, 1950 Plymouth. Kicking off Part 2, we've got a mystery Plymouth from around 1950. One of those barn find style cars that came with a property the seller bought. No title, no deep story, just an honest old Mopar waiting for someone to decide its fate. The body looks complete enough to work with, and the price is right in that sweet spot for anyone wanting a vintage project without spending crazy money. Next is a 1948 Ford Super Deluxe. Next is a 1948 Ford Super Deluxe, and this one is more of a blank canvas. Manual transmission originally, but there's no engine and no transmission now. What you do get is a solid body with suicide rear doors, a good floor, a clean title, and a rolling chassis. Inside, just 2 non-original bucket seats. This is the perfect candidate for a hot rod, rat rod, business display piece, or a full custom build. And the seller even offers local delivery within 50 miles. Next, 1969 MG Midget, Volvo B16B swap. Now here's something wild, a 69 MG Midget with a swapped-in Volvo B16B twin-carb engine. Light car, strong engine, upgraded radiator, sway bars, a pristine soft top, and a ton of spare parts. The body has 0 rust, which is rare for an MG, but the catch is electrical. It needs a full wiring harness, dash install, and some finishing work. It's not running right now thanks to a short in the starter circuit. A fast little British rocket once someone brings it back together. Next, 1965 Chevrolet Bel Air. Up next, a 1965 Bel Air with a 6-cylinder engine and automatic transmission. This one runs good, according to the seller, and has a bunch of fresh parts. Plugs, wires, condenser, carb, fuel pump. But it's bill of sale only, no title. Chrome looks decent, and for $1,250, it's a solid old Chevy Cruiser candidate for someone who doesn't mind the paperwork side of the hobby. And closing out part 2 is a 65 Ford Falcon sedan. Blue exterior, automatic transmission, and the seller keeps it simple. Selling for someone else, and what you see is what you get. No promises, no extras. It's a straightforward project for someone wanting a classic Ford starter car at $1,000. Bring a trailer and a plan. If one of these builds caught your eye, drop a comment and tell me which one you'd rescue first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next hunt for affordable classic project cars.